but in silence we both trembled. You gave your life, I gave you nothing. You poured me grace, I poured you poison, but still you drank my cup of shame. With all that I've done, can I be forgiven? Is there still a way to enter your kingdom? I'm just worthy beside a king, king of hearts. I look to my side, 'cause I only had seconds. Please remember we met when you're seated high in heaven. He spoke in a whisper, looking deep in my eyes, said, son, this time tomorrow we will be in paradise.